How to recover deleted photos on iPhone. Step 1. Check the recently deleted. Open the Photos app, scroll down and tap Recently Deleted under Utilities. Here, you'll see photos and videos deleted within the last 30 days. Each files show how many days are left before permanent deletion. Step 2. Tap Select in the top right corner. Choose the photos you want to restore. Then tap Recover at the bottom. Confirm when prompted. Your photos will go back to the original album. Step 3. Check iCloud photos. If your photos aren't in recently deleted, go to Settings, your name, iCloud, then Photo. Make sure iCloud Photos is turned on. Now, visit iCloud.com on your browser and check the Photos section. Deleted items may still be there. Step 4. If photos are permanently deleted. Once the 30-day window passes, recovery via the Photos app is no longer possible. However, if you want to back up your iPhone regularly with iCloud or iTunes, you can restore your entire device from a backup that contains deleted photo. So that's it.